Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Triple sec, a term used interchangeably with curacao, is a type of orange liqueur that provides fruity flavors as well as sweet and bitter notes, all of which are essential for a well-made margarita.
Let's help you make your mark.
Let's face it, most triple secs are cheap and uninspiring. Not only do you deserve a better liqueur, but your margarita does as well. Grand Marnier, Pierre Ferrand Dry Curaçao, Maraschino Liqueur, Saint Germain, Gifford Pamplemousse Liqueur.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.